Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a Black Friday haul. So everything that I picked up for Black Friday, I didn't really get that much. I went kind of crazy. Like I bought like a few clothing items and things. One very big thing that I'm really excited about. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. And yeah. So first off, let's just start with Forever 21 because this is from Forever 21. So I got this jacket. So it's basically just like a regular old kind of like raincoat cargo jacket, you know what I'm talking about. It has the great little cinch in at the waist so it doesn't look too boxy. It can give you a little bit of shape and everything. Now I believe this was around like $25 originally and I got it for $12, you guys. So major steal. So got that. By the way, you guys, Forever 21 was having 30% off. They literally never do that. So that was an amazing deal. And then they were also having like 50% off sale items as well. So really good deals, you guys. So I also picked up some long sleeve shirts and I picked up this rose colored shirt. I think it's coming off more pinky. It's more of like a muted mauve and it's super cute, long sleeve, really soft. Now this was originally $12.90, you guys. Got it for $5. So I love this. I think it's super cute. I think this is gonna look really nice into like tucked into jeans. I think that's gonna look so cute. So got that. So the last clothing item that I got from Forever 21 was this like turtleneck and it's basically like a sweater. It's so incredibly soft, you guys. This was $14.90 originally. Also got this for $5. It's a long sleeve and again this is like a fitted sweater and I think it's just gonna look so cute tucked into jeans with like a belt and a cute jacket for the winter time. So I had to pick that up. Great staple and it was only $5, so what a steal. Next thing I picked up was this belt from Forever 21. I think it is so freaking cute. Circle belts are just really in style right now and it's just like the cutest thing. Here's what it looks like all buckled up. It's just so freaking cute and like I said, if you tuck in your shirts with some high-waisted pants and a cute little belt like this, it's gonna look so cute. So lastly from Forever 21, I picked up a few little decor pieces. So what you see back here is this cute little jar. Isn't this like the cutest thing? So I don't know, I'm just trying to go for a like kind of bohemian natural theme. So it's got that bamboo, cute little black and white polka dots, and I don't remember how much this was. This was $8.90 plus the 30% off, so really good deal. Another thing I also got that you see that's new here is this cute little plant. Like how adorable is this? I believe this was like $7.90, so $8 or so, and look how cute this is. Like I wasn't sure that it was coming from Forever 21, that it would look real, but it actually looks pretty real. And I bought this little geometric candle holder. You put a little tea light candle in here. So cute, right? This was only $4.90, again plus the 30% off. So they are actually getting some super cute like decor home pieces at Forever 21, like definitely comparable to Urban Outfitters. Like I think they're definitely trying to go in that direction. So if you guys have not looked at their like home accessories and stuff, you should definitely take a look. They have some really cute stuff. So that is everything that I picked up from Forever 21. Now I did go on and head over to Fashion Nova. So they were having 40% off, you guys. 40% off. That's pretty damn good. So I only picked up a few things from Fashion Nova and they were just a bunch of good staple pieces. So first off is the little, this is like a bodysuit and it's just got like a cute little racer back and I love these. I already have this in red and white. They're only like $9 I think plus that 40% off, so they were super cheap. And so I got that in black and then I also got this racer back in just like a heather gray and I just thought it would be a very good staple piece. So one thing I do want to mention to you guys, that this is called the Zoe Racerback. I got these two colors previously in a medium, and they did shrink quite a bit, so they're kind of tight. I can still wear them, but they're a little tight, so I did size up to a large. So I would say size up if you are going to get this, because they do shrink. But I got those two items, and then I got one more bodysuit, and I don't remember the name of this one, but I believe it was like $12.90 or $14.90 or so. And it is this super pretty, like, burgundy red. Oh my gosh, I think this is so cute. And it does have a thong back, so it's like a seamless bodysuit, and it's really comfortable actually. So now it does dip like pretty low, and I have like small chi-chis, you guys, so it's a little big on the top, but it still works, so gotta love that. Now I did pick up a pair of jeans as well, because they do have some pretty good jeans. Previously it's kind of been like hit or miss, but they do have some really good jeans. It's hit or miss, you guys, so that kind of sucks, especially since they don't have like free returns. I wish they had free returns, but you have to pay to ship them back, which sucks. But anyway, I have these jeans. These are called the Black Hannah skinny ripped jeans or something like that, and they just look like this. They're high-waisted, and they've got like rips all in the legs and stuff. They're so freaking stylish, and they just look so good with anything, literally. They look good with sneakers, they look good with booties, they look good with heels. This is like your go-to jean. Now, this is very tight. I did get these in, I'm normally like a 5 or a 7. I did get them in a 7, and they do fit, but they are a little tight to where it's a little uncomfortable. So I do have a pair of 7 jeans, and then I also just got these in a 9. So I would definitely recommend sizing up for this. Next up, I have some stuff from Fabletics. I freaking love, what is this hair doing? What are you doing? Stop it. Anyway, as I was saying, I freaking love Fabletics. I have been subscribed to them for probably like a little bit over 2 years, or like a part of their monthly subscription or whatever. And I love their leggings, especially their high-waisted leggings. They are my absolute favorites. So we're having like 50 or 60% off during Black Friday, and I thought that was an amazing deal. These are, I think, maroon, black cherry. I can't remember the exact name of these, but these are the high-waisted pants, and they have pockets on the side. I love pockets when it comes to workout pants. These are so comfortable. If you are looking for a legging workout pant that sucks you in, you have to try some Fabletics high-waisted leggings. These are amazing. So I picked this pair up with the pockets, and I also picked up a black pair with pockets, same one, just in black, and love those. So I've already worn those, so I don't know where they are. They're probably in my hamper or on my floor or somewhere. So I'm gonna stop rambling about Fabletics. You should check them out if you're looking for a good pair of workout pants. And yeah, I love these. Okay guys, so like I said at the beginning of this video, I bought like one big thing. Okay, I didn't buy it, my boyfriend bought it, but there's one big thing in this haul. Okay, are you ready for this? Okay, here it is. I know a lot of my subscribers are subscribed to me for my tutorials on my camera and all that good stuff, so I obviously still have my Canon T6i. That is what I'm filming with right now. But yeah, I've kind of upgraded. So I'm probably going to be using the T6i for the most part. But like I said, my boyfriend bought this, and he bought this for his, you know, work purposes. And yeah, so I'm really excited for him. And he said that I can use it, of course. But you know, he's going to have it during work and stuff like that. So I'll use it when I can. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing tutorials on it. I want to do an unboxing on it, so stay tuned for that. Of course, now that he got it, I obviously want one, so I'm gonna be saving up for that. I'm probably gonna be selling this T6i, so I think I'm gonna put it up on eBay or something. So if any of you are interested in buying this camera, definitely let me know in a comment below, and if I do post it on eBay, I will definitely leave the link in the description. So once I put it up on eBay, I will leave the link in the description and update that. My next video is most likely going to be an unboxing of the 80D. I'm so freaking excited, you guys. Like, I cannot wait to use this, and I hope you guys are excited for the future videos to come with this new camera. So yeah. Alright, so that was a very long rant. I'm sorry, you guys. So that is everything that I picked up on Black Friday. Like I said, I didn't go too crazy, not like some of these YouTubers out here, like they be going real crazy. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, give it a thumbs up if you're excited for the 80D videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!